Okay, so I have been zooming, and I don't have a script for this video. I don't really normally have a script for videos, but this is straight up. I just thought of this video idea like 2 minutes ago. Uh, but I've been zooming, uh, on YouTube. I have 76 subscribers. I'll probably have more. Uh, I just hit 50 subscribers. Like, how long ago was it? I don't know, two. Like 1.5 weeks ago. So it's been going very fast. I really just uh don't know completely what I've been doing, but a lot of people have been like private messaging me being like, "Hey, how are you going so fast as a commentary channel? I have a commentary channel and I'm not growing at all." And I'm like, "Well, I don't really know." But as I've kind of been doing it, I kind of have gotten some ideas. So I guess crap. Wait, I made this video about just to tell you guys about how I have been growing very very quickly. Uh, dude, I just honestly don't know what's happening, but I do have a little bit of tips, and I'll share them right now. So let's get right into it. Tip number one. Alright, so if you're starting a commentary channel and you don't know what to do, copy. That's the one thing that I have to say for people. Just copy everyone. If you like Benji, copy Benji. If you like Optimus, copy Optimus. If you like Cyrus, copy Cyrus. If you like Leafy, he's F in the chat for Leafy, but copy Leafy. Just be you, and it'll work. So basically, what I do is I mix gaming and commentary together. All you have to do is have a pretty nice mic, note your right fiddle, and that's basically it. Have a game, doesn't have to be paid. It can even be Roblox, which is what I do a lot of the time. Just get a free game or a cheap one or one that you play and just put it in the background. So that's really all you have to do. Um, Record a topic that you like. What I normally do is I either go to Optimus's channel or I check on trending topics like the Among Us versus Fall Guys video. I don't remember what I named it. I just check on trending topics and make videos about that. And then I put stuff over it. I put what did I put over that? I think I put Rainbow Six Siege. I should have put Among Us. That would have been better, but. All right, so tip number two. Uh, is there a tip number two? Oh, I know. How I've been gaining subscribers so fast. I joined a Discord server, which I'll put in the description, with a ton of different YouTubers, and I've made a ton of friends over there. Pineapple Pale, Young and Bob. I've made friends with like YouTubers with uh thousands of subscribers, and they just like they subscribe. It's not sub for sub because we actually like watch the videos and we give us each other advice, and like we rate our things. So it's not sub for sub completely. Don't ask for subs in that Discord server, you're gonna get banned. But just form communities with other small YouTubers, collabs, which will come soon for me. I want to collab in Among Us video, so that'll happen soon, maybe. I don't really know. But yeah, find other small YouTubers to chat with. I'll put the link for the Discord in the description. Alright, so tip number three is collaborations. And I know I just talked about collaborations, but I talked about the Discord server. I didn't really talk about collaborations. What you want to do if you're a commentary channel and you're trying to find a collab, uh, just find other small commentary YouTubers, I guess. So search up commentary on I'm saying a lot, but search up commentary on YouTube. I'll do it right now. Commentary. And then go to, what is going on with my mic now? Dude, hello? The staticky no. Okay, I think I fixed it. Yeah, go to that and then search up commentary on YouTube and then go to upload date and look for good thumbnails. So you won't normally find a good thumbnail, but just look. Okay, maybe that's not the best thing to do. But find gaming YouTubers that also works and try to do just collaborations or podcasts. It doesn't matter. Just find people to collaborate with. It doesn't matter how you find them, but do it. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4 is work hard on your videos. Okay, so this is obviously a no-brainer, but so many people just make like the worst videos and then expect them to go viral. But that's not how YouTube works. You need to like first, what I do is record, get a good recording software. It doesn't have to be expensive. It could be free even, which I use OBS. However, editing does cost money, so first you record, then you edit. And most editing things cost money, but you can of course get free ones where you just do cuts and little funny edits on like the App Store and stuff on your phone. So just like switch the footage over to there and edit it on your phone. But the one that I use is Wondershare Filmora 9, and I'm sure you have never heard of it, but or maybe you have, I don't know. But it's a software that's free, but has a watermark, so you have to pay to take the watermark off, and it has a ton of cool packs and things. So if you have spare money and you want to learn how to edit videos, it's really simple. It's been sponsored. It has sponsors on a ton of different YouTube channels. I know a ton of people that use it. It's super popular, it works super well, so get that one if you have some money. If not, just on your phone, it doesn't really matter. And then thumbnails, of course. Once you're done editing, what I normally do is I do the thumbnail. So work hard. I'm not gonna lie. The Among Us versus Fall Guys video, that one, I spent more time on the thumbnail than on the editing because thumbnails matter so much more than the title, which is one thing, and also they matter more than really the content. You want the content to be good, but you want the thumbnail to be even better because the thumbnail is what gets people to click, and that's the view. The content is what makes people stay. So if you mix good footage with a good software, OBS, best, good editing, Filmora, Adobe, whatever you use, it has to be good though. Make sure it's good. Good thumbnail, good title. People click on it. They're like, oh my god, this is the best title. This is the best thumbnail. I'm gonna click on that. It looks entertaining. They watch it. They watch it all because it's good content. And you got yourself 20 million hours of watch time. So it's not that hard. Just work hard on your video. And I wish I had a 5th tip, but I don't. So, just be patient, I guess. That's fifth tip. Be patient because it doesn't come immediately. I've been uploading for 2 months and I'm not a famous YouTuber, so it doesn't come super fast. But if you keep working hard, it'll happen eventually. If you follow these tips, it'll happen. Also, don't upload content you wouldn't watch either. Okay, bye. So, thanks for watching this video. I kind of just had a random topic and decided it could help some people. So if you did find it helpful, like the video and subscribe because I upload commentary. And I know you like commentary because you clicked on this video. So subscribe. It's free and it's just one button. So do that. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh, and my